प्यार इंपॉर्टेंट है भाई।
प्यार आता जाता रहता है।
तुम्हारे पापा ने बहुत कष्ट करके तुमको भेजा है दूर कोलकाता में, दूर राजस्थान में पढ़ाई करने के लिए, और तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
They do it because उनको पता है कि उनके पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं।
And in our society, it's a taboo that we don't pay attention to mental issues like depression, anxiety, and other stuff. Right?
You have to chill out with your friends.
Did you guys see how energetic she was?
Communication comes when you really like a person. Yeah, they are thinking that situationships are far better.
What was your favorite meme about these breakups?
You know that Ranbir Kapoor song? अगर हमें कुर्सी खरीदने से पहले बार-बार चेक करते हैं कि कौन सी कुर्सी अच्छी है, why don't we check out people in that way?
I would say दिल थोड़ा ज़्यादा अपहेल्ड होता है।
I'll go for degree, क्योंकि देख भाई, in the end पैसे ही छापने हैं।
They say I will cry in my Lamborghini, but you don't fail to realize कि you'll be crying alone.
यार फिर से नहीं यार, हर बार हमेशा मेरे साथ क्यों?
कोई नहीं साबी, कोई नहीं, होता रहता है यार। अब तुम जैसे रिलेशनशिप में आने वाले लोग कैसे समझोगे हम जैसे टॉपर का हाल? 9.5 CGPA लेके कैरी करना हार्ड रहता है, जानते हो।
हाँ, आज तक किसी लड़की से बात की है तूने?
लड़की से बात करना अलग बात है, ठीक है, बट जॉब पाने के बाद जब मैं वहां पहुंच जाऊंगा तब तो आती रहेंगी।
तब भी बेटा अकेले ही रहना है, घर संसार नहीं बस पाएगा। कम्युनिकेशन पे तो झंडा गाड़ रखा है जैसे तूने। हाँ,
देखा जाएगा। वैसे भी तूने रिलेशनशिप में आके क्या कर लिया?
कम से कम इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी तो पाई है।
हाँ, मेरे पास भी है मेरा जॉब।
घंटा
12 LPA का।
फर्स्ट ईयर में है बेटा तू।
ठीक है भाई, यू नो व्हाट, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can do a podcast about it and let the audience join us with it.
That's nice.
With the topic
दिल या डिग्री?
and welcoming you all to this podcast for you all to enjoy it with me, Sheikh Rohit Ali
And me, Subhasha Roy.
from Narula Institute of Technology, and let's get started.
Yes.
Now, dil ya degree, one of the most important aspects when you come into college. Now, before going with the audience, Sabi, what do you think? आप अगर दिल के ऊपर जाएंगे या फिर डिग्री?
डिग्री.
अरे वाह. What's your reason?
It's a practical approach. In the end, you just need to make money to be stabilized in this world.
Ah, well, you are actually very, very considerate about it. But still, I do think that you have that space for that person. वो पहला प्यार, वो पहला इंतकाम, वो पहला heartbreak, बहुत कुछ सिखाया जाता है. And when you talk about an overall spec, I do really think that when you are into your more conventional maturity of emotional aspects, pehla heartbreak plays a very important role. It teaches you how to overcome that emotional aspect, the emotional trauma which you were in. But irrespectively, I also agree with you over there that career बहुत ज़रूरी है.
First of all, you're making it overly dramatic.
Dude, it is not dramatic, please.
You're making it overly
प्यार
dramatic.
important है भाई.
प्यार आता जाता रहता है. In this generation, I'll say प्यार आता जाता है.
Coming from someone who's got already 4 breakups, it's pretty obvious out there.
People are behind
we
it,
singles
they don't think.
can't understand to you, man. We're really sorry, ma'am. And a senior too.
Okay.
But you are experienced, and I can agree with that over there. And you have that upper hand when you talk about experiences. You can give us a small intellectual answer over there. But even if I question to you,
Okay.
what do you think? What did you do when you had your first breakup?
When I had my first breakup, I was in like mid-semester of first year, and I broke up with that guy because he cheated on me.
Well. So unnatural of college life.
Sarcastic. But yeah, so after that, what I do is I take a practical approach to everything, and that does makes me an esoteric person, and people tend to not to like me.
Well, we have other forms over there too, but still I'll get to you on that.
So what I do is I indulge myself in studies, and I try to distract my mind because I hate getting flashbacks and all. It doesn't help me to move on. And it also happens to you if you had anything like that.
Pretty much surprising, but yeah, well, I did once. रंजिशे ही सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए मुझे फिर से छोड़ के जाने के लिए. One of the important quotes by Faraz for we heartbroken people. आप क्या समझोगी? आपके लिए तो लड़के आते जाते रहेंगे.
Someone talking who has his heartbreak on what? High school?
Oh please, don't discriminate about that. Come on please. Heartbreak
It's not
heartbreak होता है.
discrimination.
बचपन में आके भी होता है यार. I would say स्कूल का जो प्यार होता है ना, दैट्स वेरी वेरी ट्रू, वेरी इनोसेंट. यू spend your entire day roaming around the corridor just to have a glimpse of your partner. वो ब्रेक के बीच में, क्लास
Nice
के बीच
nibba
में.
nibbi concept.
So unlikely of you in college. But हाँ, कॉलेज में चीज़ें बहुत अलग तो हो जाती है.
Yeah.
And as we're doing this podcast in our college life, we will be also relating with other people who are or who have been through this time, through this period. तो उनके लिए any lessons you would?
The only lessons I'll give कि भाई, if you have like, if you are emotionally available person,
Bro,
like,
pro tip, come on.
shush. If you are emotionally available, like had some childhood traumas and all, भाई कोई बंदा अगर आके तेरे को बोल रहा है कि I am there, don't trust him. He will not be there.
हर लड़के ऐसे नहीं होते guys. One is sitting in front of you.
I'm not saying हर लड़का ऐसा होता है. So people, you have to judge people.
You know, there was an important aspect or important quote given one of the Instagram में तो हर कोई होता है भाई. एक रील था, अभी मैंने देखा था, and a very very interesting thought they gave. That was that nowadays at this generation, boys are very good at lying
Yeah.
and girls are very good at actually
Putting makeup.
Exactly. And that is the reason लड़कियां बहुत जल्दी झूठ पे आ जाती है और लड़के मेकअप पे.
Yeah.
So beautiful, right? Shows the aspect of your society that's how prude and how cruel at times.
Yes, it is. It's mostly I'll not say that it's because of the Gen Z, but the Western
Culture,
behavior.
yeah, the Western culture. When you talk about Gen Z, guys, I'm really sorry for the other people over there watching us.
I'm out of this Gen Z shit.
Situationships, man, situationships. Wait, when you talk about Gen Z at this situation in college life too,
Yeah.
I would say situationship is one of the most famous terms you come into it because nowadays the people have commitment issues. And moving further, when you have commitment issues, it tends to be more towards something which will bring heartbreaks. And when you are into college, you're focusing in your career. तुम्हारे पापा ने बहुत कष्ट करके तुमको भेजा है दूर कोलकाता में, दूर राजस्थान में पढ़ाई करने के लिए, और तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
They do it because उनको पता है कि उनके पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं.
A bird's eye view point is always out there.
Yeah.
And it is very important. और वही एक बहुत ही बड़ा psychological reason होता है where people tends to go out of their reasoning boundaries and do stuff which shouldn't be done.
Yeah, that's why you have to set boundaries. You have to set boundaries, you have to think about yourself, and you have to make yourself,
Flourishable.
yeah,
In
and
your
flexible.
Yes. See, as you mentioned, I don't think it is an ideal or an utopian vision कि हाँ relationship और career एक साथ नहीं जा सकता है. As we mentioned about the traumas and the inflexibilities a person might have when they are in relationship and they have a breakup.
Yeah.
An ideal relationship sustainably helps to grow both of them. It's not stopping you, instead it helps you to actually come out of your comfort zone, interact with people and get to the pinnacle of your
Yeah,
career.
we have an example like if you have watched 12th Fail movie.
Oh, perfect
Yeah,
example.
perfect example. You have seen that how that girl helps the boy to achieve what he wants in his
Irrespective
career.
of the background they
Yeah.
had. See, love is blind, that's true.
Actually, love makes you blind.
When I had my first breakup, it was in 11th or 12th, okay? देखो पहला ब्रेकअप होता है, जैसे भी हो भाई, जहाँ भी हो,
Come
एज
on,
के
man.
ऊपर. So on that aspect, the things which I felt, that was really different. I just fell above, and I also had my JEE, I had my NEET. I mean, I did give both NEET and JEE, and I also had my boards. A lot of things. और पूरा breakup जो हो पूरा end में हुआ. तो वहाँ पे coop up करने के लिए मुझे बहुत कुछ करना पड़ा. And I was thinking that can I actually coop up? और जो emotional vulnerability मुझे feel हुआ, I used to think भाई depression क्या होता है भाई? पागल लोग depression में जाते हैं. And in our society, it's a taboo that we don't pay attention to mental issues like depression, anxiety, and other stuff, which is very important.
It's not taboo actually. If you ask me, I'll say depression and these anxiety things, it's not taboo. If we talk about our parents, they are born in what, 1970s or 80s. Okay. At that time, they didn't have these type of competitions. Score this high or have this kind of race for a job. Okay. Competition was there.
When you talk about competition, it has genuinely, it has gradually risen among the years.
Yeah.
But still, मतलब तब मेरे I had this kind of thing and I had a very crucial time and उसके बीच में I had a breakup and that was very hard. बहुत hard था cope up
Did
करने
you
के लिए.
score nice?
Well, I did had a like I did pull off. I did pull off. Let's not reveal my marks over here. It's not bad. It's good. But yeah, at the end, I did had a mentality that no, I need to move out of it. I need to be more considerate about my
That's
future.
what I'm talking about. You have to have a practical
And
approach.
trust me, the lessons it has taught me, it is unforgettable. And I really tell to people that yeah, if you have a mentality like you don't want to get into relationship, you don't want to do that, you should get into it. You should have a heartbreak. It is important. It gives you that lesson, that aspect of your life का emotional maturity जो तुमके अभी नहीं, but बाद में जब तुम बड़े होगे, जब तुम उस दुनिया को देखोगे, जब तुम उस दुनिया की उस रूप को देखोगे जो रूथलेस है, तब तुमको समझ में आएगा कि हाँ, कभी ना कभी ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ था और मैंने ये जूझा है, वो दर्द मैंने भी महसूस किया है, तो ये दर्द थोड़ा कम है, दर्द थोड़ा संभल सकता है. Moving further, career. What do you think about that?
Career, paisa.
Not something very surprising, but still continue the topic.
People are dumb. Okay, people are dumb and you don't get to know what the other person feels.
Dumb in the scenario where it involves that emotional vulnerability, I would say. Things
Yeah,
with
the other person uses you and you do the stuff to make him happy and make him stay.
For the both genders, yeah.
All you want is a person in your life to be there in your vulnerability and just be there, bro. But after that, you come to a pace when you feel like that no, you have to believe that that person is not for you and you have to distract yourself through studies, which I do. I distract myself with studies which make me
Competent.
competent.
When you talk about career, I do really think that when you bring the whole aspect of degree, there are many degrees we have, right, in college. तुम जब अपने सारे ख्वाब लेके आते हो कॉलेज में, because I would say at this generation, JEE and NEET has become one of the most important factors in everyone's life. Everyone wants to be in that. Everyone wants to be either doctor या इंजीनियर. अब जब तुम इतना काम करने के बाद, इतना कष्ट उठाने के बाद जब तुम कॉलेज में आते हो, finally you get your dream college. Suppose you finally get your dream college and you upheld the degree which you want to, and you get the degree. Over there, when you sustainably continue with your life and something like this happens, it gives a big crash. And career is something जहाँ पे you need to give your focus irrespectively. अब वो लोग तो बहुत खुशनसीब होते हैं जिनको मिल जाता है वो प्यार जो वो ढूंढ रहे हैं, लेकिन उन लोगों का क्या जो अभी भी उस चीज़ में जूझ रहे हैं, उस इंसान को ढूंढ रहे हैं जो उन्हें वो तन्हा से निकाल सकते हैं. I would say the factual states go further. It goes further because career is something जहाँ पे तुम्हारा 100% concentration रहना चाहिए. And rather than that, 2-3 exceptions हो सकते हैं. Friends के साथ chill रहना हो गया. You need to experience college life.
You have to chill out with your friends.
Did you guys see how energetic she was?
Yeah, because you can't be like कि भाई सिर्फ पढ़ना है, पढ़ाई करना है, पढ़ते ही जाना है. You can't do that. You have to chill out with your friends. Either it's like बैठ के chatting वगैरह या फिर फ्री फायर खेल लो या whatever you want to do.
पढ़ाई के अलावा सब कुछ कर लेते हैं.
पढ़ाई के अलावा जो करना है करो. But you have to give time to the person who makes you happy.
Let's hold an ideal situation where a guy actually had no communication with a girl. Okay.
Okay.
He had no relationships. Irrespectively, let's consider where he was weak in communication. Now, on the other hand, he's really good in his CGPA. He had a very well-maintained academical performance in his college and he got a good job, let's say.
Okay.
Now, what would you assumably pursue his substantial growth in his emotional background and what are the challenges he'll be facing further in his future?
See, communication comes when you really like a person. Okay, and you really connect with that person. The other party also has to communicate. If he doesn't, then the other one would think that he's not that into me. You have to give small trinkets, like small gestures, like I am there giving flowers, chocolates. I'm not saying that do it every day. Okay, but sometimes it's necessary.
But don't you think the concept of time management comes in?
Yeah, obviously. You have to divide your time. first of all, focus on your studies. Okay, you have to make a different timetable for that. If you're getting distracted for some overthinking explanations or anything that's like pinching your brain, like, dude, he said that,
Overthinking all
Yeah.
the skills.
overthinking and getting flashbacks, just immerse yourself into something.
Which is busy, yeah.
Yeah, be
Even-
busy. I keep myself busy
Even
because
I
of
have
these
such
things.
experiences. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right. I would agree
Yeah.
to that. Totally 100%.
Being busy is good. Keep yourself busy in studies.
Being busy, that is quite important when you're talking about these things. क्योंकि when mishap happens, एक बार हो गया कुछ तो भाई खत्म, चलो छोड़ देते हैं. ये नहीं है, she's not the one, he's not the one. The thing
They
is,
don't wanna try. They don't wanna fight.
exactly. If you don't fight for your love, what kind of love
Do you have? Yeah.
But yeah, over there it continues and that reflects your career too. इन सब चीज़ों में जब हम बात करते हैं, उन चीज़ों में जहाँ पे दिल मजबूर होता है, we bring about many topics. इन सब चीज़ों को छोड़ के भी जब तुम डिग्री में उठते हो, एक खटाश रहती है तुम्हारे अंदर. वो एक चीज़ रहता है कि हाँ, जीवन में कुछ तो करना है यार, कुछ तो करना है, जाके मैं अपने माँ बाप को खुश रखता हूँ. वो जो चेहरा है ना, जब तुम देखते हो अपने माँ बाप को इतना पैसा खर्च करने के बाद, इतना कष्ट करने के बाद, जब वो एक बड़े से कॉलेज में तुमको एडमिट करवाते हैं, तुम सोचते हो, and then you devour into radius things that you forget what your main motivation was, your main aim was.
That actually happens to majority of the people who like come far away from home to a certain college. Okay, let's say somebody came from like UP or Bihar to this college, Kolkata, and they think that कि भाई मैं यहाँ पे कुछ भी कर लूँ, मेरे माँ बाप को क्या ही पता.
Not everyone, but exceptions.
Exceptions. I'm talking about exceptions. I'm not saying about like everybody does that. You know that कि 11th के बाद हमारे पढ़ निकल आते हैं. हमारा जैसे 11th में पढ़ निकल आते थे, वैसे ये लोग वहाँ से यहाँ आके उनके पढ़ निकल आते हैं because their parents doesn't know that what their child is doing.
And guidance is missing over there.
Yeah.
A big guidance, yeah.
Because their parents are not seeing them every day.
How was your relationship? How did you felt over there? Like, what were the challenges when you actually met the guy? What did you coop up? How did you manage time with your career?
I was drawn to the guy. Yeah, he was handsome. Okay. He was there for me. I'm not saying that he was not. He was sweet, charming at first. And then he started like, after 2 or 3 months, he started ghosting me. Our semester exams came up and I was like कि ghost ही तो कर रहा है, कहीं दूर तो नहीं गया है.
दीदी रेड फ्लैग के पीछे पड़ गई फिर से.
Okay. And when he ghosted me, I started indulging myself in studies. I was like पूरा एकदम studies में घुस जाओ. My semester exams went fab. Just fab.
I had my semester exams, by the way. Let's see how that goes.
Oh, you didn't had it, right? Yeah, it's gonna go.
हाँ, देखते हैं.
देख लो.
Gotta have high CGPA than you. Huh. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see. Get to you guys.
We'll get
let
to
you know.
you.
We'll let you know.
So after that, we had our exams. Then we started talking again. And the thing he did was, yeah, we met. We had fun. We started dating. But there was a short period of time when he started saying that I do have others.
Delulu ain't the Solulu, guys.
I-
Delulu ain't the Solulu. Please.
I thought it was a
caution
joke.
for everyone. Caution for everyone. Everyone falls for this. इसलिए हम जैसे लड़कों का दिल टूटता है. Please do not.
I thought he was joking.
And he wasn't.
I still don't know.
Oh my God. This is so crazy.
Okay,
Man.
he started questioning on my character. And I don't know, like, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि उसमें खोट है. I'll say कि people nowadays only look for entertainment.
So it's more about a generational thing which is going right now. जो मैंने पहले में
it's
बोला.
not generational. People are adapting to Gen Z.
वही तो.
Yeah, they are thinking that situationships are far better.
How did you manage your academical performance? कैसे किया?
I am really serious and concerned about my academics. I don't like hindering with it.
You know, I had actually like एक था मेरे class 11 12th में and एक मुझे उसके आगे था.
What do you mean by आगे?
Crush था. हाँ, आपका वाला तो प्यार है. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ टॉमी.
तेरा कुत्ता.
Oh my God. Eve, good thing. What was your favorite meme about these breakups?
You know that Ranbir Kapoor song?
Oh.
एक बार ही किया तो यार प्यार क्या
No
किया?
wonder. You know what is mine one?
What?
Arijit Singh. Channa mere ya, channa mere ya.
No,
Guys, I can relate with you.
The only dialogue I remember for coping up with breakups is that one from Dear Zindagi. I really love that movie because I totally relate to Alia Bhatt in that movie. अगर हमें कुर्सी खरीदने से पहले बार बार चेक करते हैं कि कौन सी कुर्सी अच्छी है, कौन सी कुर्सी बैठने से अच्छा लगता है, why don't we check out people in that way?
वहाँ पे भी हम जब सोचते हैं बहुत कुछ होता है बात करने के लिए, because the generational youth we have right now who's more into this college life, who faces this dilemma कि हाँ यहाँ पे relationship maintain करना है, वहाँ पे तुम्हारा डिग्री मेंटेन करना है, दिल और डिग्री इन दोनों के बीच में हम कहीं ना कहीं फंस जाते हैं.
Most of the people think that college life is similar to Karan Johar का Student of the Year.
Oh my God. Student of the year 1, that was decent. I would say decent यार. देखो, मैं तो भाई सिनेमैटिक वाला आदमी हूँ. मुझे भाई सिनेमा से बहुत लगाव है. मैं पहले ही बोल रहा था भाई इंटरस्टेलर, डेविड विनॉक के सारे मूवीज, ब्लेड रनर, हैव यू वॉच्ड द मूवी? So good भाई.
It was about friendship.
Still.
Fault in Our Stars.
Okay.
5 centimeter apart.
Okay.
Me Before You.
सारे प्यार वाली मूवीज बोल रही है भाई.
You know
सारे.
who's emotionally mature.
La La Land. If you talk about a horror movie and you want that emotional intimacy with you, La La Land guys.
Her. Watch Her.
Oh, I have watched it. It's a great movie. Cinema, I think, gives you a wider view how things can actually be. Because जितना भी book पढ़ ले भाई, मेरे लिए तो भाई सिनेमा रहेगा. तो book पढ़ने वाली.
Books are better.
Please. We'll have that conversation, guys. Please comment down, okay? What do you think? Books or movies? But when you talk about Dil and Degree, I think one movie stands out for me. मुझे पता नहीं तुम्हारा क्या है भाई, but मेरे लिए 3 Idiots is the go-to movie. इतनी बार देखी है वो मूवी मैंने, मैं आज तक भूल नहीं पाता हूँ. If you give me to watch it right now after hundreds of times, I can still watch it with the same entertainment.
I think 12th Fail is better.
Come on.
Listen, if you ask me now that if I choose Dil या Degree, I'll go for Degree. क्योंकि देख भाई, in the end पैसे ही छापने हैं, ठीक है? पैसे छापेंगे, अपने आप को खड़ा करेंगे, ठीक है?
खड़ा करके क्या?
एक अच्छा सा घर खरीदेंगे, एक कुत्ता खरीदेंगे, लाइफ सेट.
खड़ा करके क्या? वही अकेले रहना है. They say I will cry in my Lamborghini, but you don't fail to realize कि you'll be crying alone. तुम्हें समझ नहीं आता वो दिख क्या होता है. वो स्पेसिफिक इमोशन कहाँ होता है जब तुम अकेले रोते हो.
I'll be wiping my tears with money.
These are the things which sounds good in when you are actually thinking about it, not rationally. क्योंकि जब तुम rationally सोचते हो तब तुमको याद आता है भाई खिलाने वाली नहीं है मेरे पास.
First of all, पैसे सब कुछ attract करते हैं. I have a question for you. Let's say a guy or a girl is there who is like, she has a nice degree, she got a job, but she failed in a relationship. Okay, she didn't dated in college, and in a parallel thing, we have a person who has failed in building a career and passed in a relationship. Like he or she has a
So
nice
you're talking
partner.
about how will I answer the dilemma?
Yeah, how would you do that?
I guess पहला आंसर आपने already दे दिया है. I have counted the same question like that, and you mentioned how is it important and what things can be done. But मैं दूसरा जो question है वो बोलना चाहता हूँ. Over there specifically, when you actually fail in career, now there are many things which are affecting, and I can't blame you, because at the end of the day जब एक दिल दे देते हो आप लोग किसी को, उसके बाद जो specific vulnerabilities तुम face करते हो, that is not certain ना. Now it is about your point of view. You get depressed. You think कि हाँ मेरे पास job नहीं है, मेरे पास कोई प्यार नहीं है, मुझे कोई प्यार करने को नहीं. But it's all about the point of view. How do you see the glass? Half filled or half empty? Now over there, what you should look into is the emotional maturity you have gained. क्योंकि ऐसा तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि कॉलेज का लाइफ ही खत्म है. जिस लड़की से या फिर जिस लड़के से आप मिले हो, जिस लड़की या लड़के के साथ आप वो टाइम स्पेंड किए, वो खत्म है. आप और भी लोगों से मुलाकात करेंगे, अभी भी जीवन खत्म नहीं है. और उस कठोर समय में जब आप जाओगे तब आपको दिखेगा कि दुनिया कितनी कठोर है. और उस समय में यू विल बी थैंकिंग गॉड फॉर गिविंग यू दैट इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी व्हिच यू हैड फेस्ड एट वन extent of your time.
You have your point of view. In my point of view, after like having these kind of issues with my own, I think Degree is far better, bro. At least he is there for me.
But for me, if you take it up, I would say दिल थोड़ा ज़्यादा अपहेल्ड होता है, क्योंकि जब तुम अकेले रहते हो, I would say अगर वो आदमी तुम्हारे पास हो, वो इंसान अगर तुम्हारे पास हो, तो क्या पैसा, क्या बंगला, एक झोपड़ी में भी मैं खुश रह सकता हूँ.
You need emotional support. Buy a golden retriever.
मैं agree नहीं करता. Come on, please. I don't agree with you.
In the end, you want kids, adopt one.
See, kids are good. You can adopt one, but after that, there are very other variations. तुमको
I
चाहिए कोई
choose
आदमी.
degree.
भाई मैं तो दिल
You
के साथ
choose
हूँ.
this.
मैं तुम्हारी नहीं बात कर.
Let the audience decide what you think.
You know what? That's the good thing.
Yeah. Let
Come
the
and
audience
connect
decide.
and let them decide what you need, and then we'll see what actually wins.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. It was a great podcast, and we hope that you all love it.
He's over dramatic.
See you.